quiet waters is a beautiful rancher kept like new at Horn Harbor. Gorgeous oak cabinets in a stunning well-appointed kitchen, very spacious. Home offers private setting, split floor plan features large family room west/gas log fireplace, hardwood floors throughout, morning room dining area overlooks waterfront and nice-sized dining room opens to living area for good flow while entertaining, large master bedroom, relaxing screen porch, includes oversize garage west/storage above. Climate-controlled crawlspace, generator, new heat pump with gas backup for cold days, water softener, reverse osmosis. 2 large storage buildings and carport. Beautifully landscaped. A must-see.